Preposition. A preposition is a word or group of words used to link nouns, pronouns, and phrases to other words in a sentence to show direction, time, place, location, or to introduce an object. Some examples of prepositions are in, at, on, of, to, above, below, since, and with, etc. Pencils are in the pencil stands. We are watching cartoons on television. The bridge is over the river. She is good at playing piano. The book is on the table. We are waiting at the bus stop. I was born in 2021. I go to school by bus. Goodbye. See you on Monday. The library is full of people. The cat is in the box. I am off to school. We are going to the store to buy some milk. She looks at herself in the mirror. She is tired of cleaning all day. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.